breaking updates now coming in. The opposition very clearly is intensifying its attack in the Rajya Sabha as well. So over the alleged crackdown on the student protesters. Now this is the next issue that the opposition has picked up. The CPI MP P. Santosh Kumar has also moved Rule 267 notice seeking the constitution of an independent judicial commission to probe the police action and the circumstances leading to the nationwide agitation over NEET irregularities. The Congress MP Syed Nasir Hussain has also moved a notice demanding an immediate discussion on the alleged use of excessive force, including pellet guns. Niyamika is live with us, and Niyamika, multiple adjournment notices being given in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. So it is very clear, as the government prepares for a discussion on the stricter anti-paper leak bill, the opposition is preparing for yet again a stormy session in the parliament, with their agenda or their biggest point in the session being a discussion on the alleged police excesses. What are the details of the opposition strategy? Are we yet again going to see disruptions in the parliament?
Well, yes, it is a much anticipated move on the part of the opposition, because last week only we have seen that how they were quite clear over their demand that firstly the government needs to talk about the kind of excessive force which was being used against the protesting youth on 28th of July, as they are basically, the entire opposition is basically raising a question upon the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, as in fact the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, had also demanded that the Home Minister should resign from his position because of the kind of action which was being taken by the RF personnel as well as the Delhi police personnel against the protesting youth on 20th of July. That is unacceptable, and that is what he has also mentioned in the letter which he had written yesterday to the Union Home Minister. But this time it is not just the Congress party, but the entire opposition seems to be standing united over this entire matter, be it the DMK or even the left parties. They are also demanding the same, and in fact they are also stating that when this discussion is going to take place within the House, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah should also be present there, as the entire floor strategy is going to be prepared in today's meeting at 10 o'clock. But clearly the kind of adjournment motion notices and the suspension of business notices have been given by various opposition leaders. We can expect that today as well there is going to be a protest. There is going to be a ruckus being created on the part of the opposition parties, because they want a discussion on the alleged brutality by the security forces first, and then only anything can other things can be discussed, is what is being said by the opposition leaders.
Okay, all right. So the opposition is very clear. Now the focus will be on the discussion on the police excesses. But the question is, are we again going to see the parliament in disruptions yet again did in the House, as we've seen in the last entire week? Will there not be discussions yet again? Because it will be in the interest of the students as well if we have a discussion on the anti-paper leak bill in the parliament. Let's see what the opposition strategy is going to be. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all those details.